In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys two websites where you can make quite some amount of money. The first website is more of a platform where a lot of things can go on, and the second is a proper website where you can earn some significant amount of money. So if that's something you're interested in, please do me a favor and leave a like on this video. Also subscribe if you want to see more interesting and creative ways of making money online. So with that said, the first website is this website called Umojami. Now this is more like a platform in the sense that it is all encompassing. You can share posts, you can read people's messages, you can have rooms, live chats, and there's also the business aspect of it. But talking about making money on this website, if you create posts that are over 200 words long, you earn something called calories, and those calories can be converted to money, which you can then withdraw into your bank account. So you make a post, you earn calories. You drop a comment to somebody's post, you also earn calories. You share people's posts, you also earn calories. Yes, what you earn is little, but think about all the thousands of Facebook posts you put on Facebook for free, or the thousands of messages you put on WhatsApp. If you were paid just a cent per post, by now a lot of us would have made over $1,000. Okay, so on here, any post you make, you earn free money. Okay, it's literally free money. But that is not the most interesting part of this platform. If you look here, there are a lot of things that are available here. You can start selling. Okay, and this website has traffic already. Okay, so if you look at this their shop, you can see people that have already listed some of their products here, and they put the price $12, $10, $1. Okay, and I know there are people that sell stuffs on their WhatsApp status or on Facebook. This is just one extra website where you can come and list your products. So if you know you sell shoes or men's clothing or makeup on your WhatsApp status or on some other platform, then this website Umojami can be another traffic source for your business. So you can just come here, list it. It doesn't take time, just list it and list the price. People that come over to Umojami looking for what to buy, or maybe they're just mindlessly scrolling over the internet and they find something that they like and it's yours, they're definitely going to buy it. Okay, so you definitely want to list your stuff on here. Give it a very good thumbnail. What I noticed that the thumbnails on these products are not the best, not very attractive. This one is very attractive, by the way, but some of the ones that we saw previously, they are not very attractive. Make sure that your thumbnail is attractive enough to make someone want to buy it. Okay, so if you want to be a seller on Umojami, all you just need to do is to come over here that says start selling and click it. So you can list a product. If you just click this, you'll be able to list a product. You upload your thumbnail, and then you wait until you make a sale. Once you have the customer details, you just ship it over to the customer. Umojami is an African-based website, and it's majorly for Africans that want to be creative. So if you have any kind of creative stuff you do, you paint as you're an artist, or you make creative clothing, or you're into poetry, there are rooms on Umojami for you. This platform was built for creators in Africa to make some money off their work. Okay, so this Umojami website was created specifically for making money. Okay, and it was targeted at Africans. But do not worry, even if you are not an African, you do not live in Africa, you can still be able to list your products on here. You can also reply to people's comments, make a post, and still earn little amount of money. Another thing I find interesting about Umojami is that you can list your freelance services, and if you list your freelance services, then people that are scrolling on Umojami that need those kind of services, they'll be able to find you, and then they can request you to perform those services for them. So if you install Umojami to your phone, just make sure you have data, so that if a notification comes in, then you'll be able to reply on time and then close in on the sale. Now, another thing I find helpful with Umojami is that you can discover jobs on Umojami. So if you come over here and you click discover jobs, you see jobs that are available in your area. So look at this one. This one says full-time lecturer, BSc or HND in computer science with a deal of basic programming. It's a full-time job, and look at here, you can just apply now. General services manager, technical project manager, and you can load more jobs. So this is some other thing that is very helpful on Umojami. So you can find jobs on Umojami, you can connect people on Umojami, you can see your connections, you can build your career on Umojami. One last thing I want to touch on that is really important is this FundMe. So you can actually set up a GoFundMe kind of stuff on Umojami. Now look at this lady here. She says record of my life by M.A. Elizabeth. She's raising $10,000 and she has raised about $423. So if you have a GoFundMe account, you're trying to raise money for your tuition for a master's abroad, or you're trying to buy something to improve your business, and you decide to engage in crowdfunding, then Umojami just offers an extra traffic source that can enable your GoFundMe campaign get seen by way more people, which will in turn put in more money into your pocket. Please do not use this as an avenue to just get money from people or scam people. You lie that you're trying to raise money for something that you're not. Please do not do that. This Umojami was created to help African entrepreneurs and creatives. Okay, so if you have a genuine need for money, go ahead and put it on Umojami, and you will definitely be able to raise some amount of money. So just to recap, on Umojami you can make money from making posts, from replying people's comments, from making a comment on someone else's post. Okay, then in addition to that, you can create an online store and have traffic be pushed to your store. You can also buy things from on here. You can list your freelance services on here and have clients come to you from Umojami. You can build your connections, you can build your career, and finally you can get funded, or you can fund other people if you have a lot of money to spare and if you have a big heart. Okay, so now the second website where you can earn money via a more traditional route is this website called Study Pools. Now on this website called Study Pools, you have to teach, and then you earn up to $7,500, which is some significant amount of money. I think $7,500 is the cap on what you can earn. So there are a lot of topics on here that someone can teach. There's accounting, advertising, biotechnology, business, communication, data analysis. There are a whole bunch of topics. So it's very difficult for someone to say, I can't teach on Study Pool, so I don't know how to make money on Study Pool. I personally applied to be a tutor on this website just to see if it is legit or not before I bring it onto this YouTube channel for you guys to see. So it's pretty much very, very legit, to be very honest. But keep in mind that the application process to become a tutor is very tasking and time consuming. It can take you up to, let me say, 30 minutes to an hour. And if you say you want to teach mathematics, for instance, because I came on here to teach mathematics, I study civil engineering, so my facility with mathematics is quite high. So I decided to apply as a mathematics tutor. And what I found out during the application process is that you're going to have to answer some math questions. It's not like an interview. You will have the time to write your answer. In fact, you can actually start the application today and finish it in 2, 3, 4 days time. It depends completely on you. But the point I'm making is that if you really want to teach maths or humanities or business, please be sure that it is something that you are really good at. Otherwise, you probably won't make any money on here, because the students here ask a bunch of questions, and I think it's going to be very tasking to pick something that you don't have any information on, and you just have to go and keep researching every single question. I don't think it's going to be the best use of your time. So just make sure you pick something that you are really good at. If you're good at English, just pick English. Pick something very simple. That's not to say that you cannot find the answers on Google and just copy it and come and give the students, but that could result in a very bad experience, and I think it will affect your ranking on this website. So the point I'm making is just pick something that you know you can teach. So again, it's categorized in groups, in major groups. Another science, you have botany, chemistry, applied physics, astronomy, astrophysics, and the rest of them. So I don't think someone that hasn't gone to college would be able to make money from this website, obviously. But if you have already gone to college, no matter what you studied, I'm very sure you can find something that you can teach on here. So go ahead, give Study Pools a try. If you get accepted as a tutor, please come back and tell us in the comment section of this video. If you make some money from Study Pools, also share it in the comment section with us. I have amazing videos in store for you guys on affiliate marketing, on how to make money from selling other people's products. So if you're going to be interested in that, be sure to subscribe to the channel, so anytime I upload a video, you're going to be the first to see it. Also drop a like on this video if you got some value from it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.